Have you ever wondered why some people always seem so lucky? They encounter good people, good things, and good opportunities. Everything in their life seems to be on an upward trajectory. Meanwhile, some people constantly lament, why do good things never happen to me? They see fate is unfair. But Taoism tells us fate is never best, and luck doesn't fall from the sky. So-called luck is simply being prepared and not backing down when opportunity knocks. Chuang-Tzu once said, "Ready on things to roam the mind." This means adapting to the changes of all things while maintaining a clear and prepared mind. When external opportunities arise, inner cultivation determines whether you can seize that fleeting moment. People often say, opportunity only favors the prepared mind. But many don't understand preparation isn't about frantically chasing after opportunities. It's a cultivation of stillness within composure and wisdom within action. A truly prepared person doesn't anxiously wait for miracles every day, but quietly improves themselves, honing their character and accumulating strength in the quiet of the day. Like a seed in spring, you can see its growth, but it absorbs every drop of water in the dark soil. When the sun comes, it naturally sprouts. Those who only focus on the sunlight but forget to cultivate deeply will be caught off guard when opportunity knocks. Lao Tzu said in the Xinghao Tao Te Ching Xinghao, the sage has no fixed mind. He takes the mind of the people as his own. A true wise person knows how to adjust themselves constantly, adapt to the times, and not be attached to temporary gains or losses, because they understand opportunities are not waited for, but attracted. If your heart is at peace, the world will be gentle to you. If your steps are firm, the road will naturally unfold beneath your feet. Preparation is not just about learning a skill, but also about cultivating a mindset. In Taoist wisdom, preparation is not anxiety, but rather Xinghao, maintaining inner peace while responding to external changes, Xinghao. That is to say, one must first have inner strength to maintain direction amidst the external changes. Those who truly seize opportunities are never lucky, but because they never stop cultivating themselves in ordinary days. They read not to show off. They study not to prove they are better than others, but to ensure that when opportunity knocks, they can say, I am ready. Like a swordsman, even without battle, they hone their sword daily, not for skill, but so that when that moment arrives, they have their sword in hand and their heart is fearless. Chuang-Tzu said, skill approaches the way. When a person's ability and character reach a natural, harmonious state, they can see the way through chaos and maintain balance amidst storms. Preparation is not about rushing for quick results, but about cultivating the mind with the way, and cultivating strength with the mind. You might feel that others have already succeeded while you remain stagnant. But in the world of the way, there is no such thing as too late. All opportunities have their own timing. Just as the seasons cycle and flowers bloom, what you seem to have missed is merely time that wasn't meant for you. The opportunity that truly belongs to you will never miss you. Lao Tzu said, heaven and earth are ruthless, treating all things like straw dogs. This isn't indifference, but rather a message. Heaven and earth, and all things, follow their own laws, unaffected by your emotions. All you can do is go with the flow. When you diligently cultivate yourself, without blaming heaven or others, fate will gently give you a push at some point. At that moment, you might say, I'm so lucky. But in reality, it's the culmination of all your preparation finally meeting its opportunity. On the surface, lucky people seem to have a smooth journey, but behind them often lie countless nights of silent effort. They persist when others give up. They remain calm when others are anxious. They have already traversed countless unseen paths while others envy them. Taoist wisdom tells us, the weak overcomes the strong, stillness overcomes restlessness. True strength is a resilient persistence. True luck is a silent waiting. You don't need to prove yourself, just keep growing. When the wind blows, you will naturally become that tall tree. Many people believe that luck is something you gain, but Taoism believes that true luck is about aligning with the Tao, and unity with the Tao. When you stop clinging to the idea of I must do this or I must succeed, and instead allow yourself to go naturally, without demanding results, you are more likely to encounter your own opportunities, because you are no longer going against the current, but going with it. You are no longer chasing the wind, but letting it carry you. This is the wisdom of doing nothing, yet accomplishing everything. When you are not driven by desire, but guided by awareness, your life unfolds silently. Luck is never accidental. It is the echo of your long-term efforts, the fruit of your silent growth, proof that you chose to believe and never gave up in countless unseen moments. Lao Tzu said, it is precisely because he does not contend that no one in the world can contend with him. When you no longer fight against fate, but learn to dance with it, you have already encountered your luck on your journey. Believe this. Every bit of your effort prepares you for the next encounter. Every bit of perseverance you give will eventually be rewarded with a kind response from fate. Luck is not a gift from heaven, but rather the courage you have to walk through the darkness and still look up at the stars.